Let's begin with the intergalactic action hero who's also a real-life hero. Chris Pratt, dressed in his costume as Star-Lord. That's his character from the film Guardians of the Galaxy. He paid a surprise visit. He said he would do it, and he did, to a children's hospital in Los Angeles on Wednesday. First, the kids got to see the movie, and then Pratt steps out from behind a door, surprises them. The kids scream with delight. He spent more than 3 hours with them, handing out toys, posing for selfies, signing autographs, letting the kids try on his gear. Afterwards, the hospital tweeted, "Thanks for making them smile." And that means so very, very much. And Feel Good Friday continues now with this. One woman's act of kindness. She stopped at Starbucks at a drive-thru in St. Petersburg, Florida. She orders a coffee, and she says, "You know what? I want to pay for the person's behind me." And then that person was so touched, they did the same for the next person, and so on, and so on, and so on. In the end, 457 people paid it forward in a chain of kindness that lasted for 11 hours.
I have chills from head to toe. That is such a great story.
Sometimes people do that in the toll booth too. They'll pay for the person behind
And
it.
keep it up.
I mean, but that long for 11 hours?
And you know what? And,
a lot of coffee.
and you pay, it's $4 or maybe $12 for your cup of coffee, but makes such a difference in a person's day.
And they were all driving
So
80
small.
because they were also jacked up.
Yep.